Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Elizabeth. It's good to have you. Please consider subscribing and turning on your post notification bell if you are a crafter or just enjoy crafting videos. My goal at the moment is to have 2,000 of you lovely people subscribe to my channel. So please help me to achieve my goal so I can continue to bring you more crafting videos. Today I'm going to show you how I create this custom zipper overlay using the Cricut. This zipper overlay is used in bag making. It's really straightforward. I show you a simple rectangle in this video. However, you are able to make a rectangle with a more rounded corner. And if you would like to see how I do this, stay tuned. So we are in Cricut Design Space and I'm going to show you how to make this custom zipper overlay. So let's begin. So the first thing I do is I draw a shape first of all. So I've got a text box here and I unlock the aspect ratio. I want my zipper overlay, my actual zipper slit to be 7 inches wide and 0.5 inches tall. So here is my zipper opening. What I normally do is I duplicate that. So then I duplicate it. Let's make that pink. And then I unlock the aspect ratio, and because this is 7 inches long, I need to make that 9 inches by 2.5. Okay, what I like to do now is select them both, and then I like to center it. Let's just bring this to the front. Okay, now that they are centered, I come down here where it has slice and then I slice it. And then I can get rid of these. Now I need to create my kind of little custom label at the bottom here. So what I like to do is I go to my shapes. These are all subscription and I don't have a subscription, so I need this trapeze shape, so I click that and I'm just going to be using it to help me cut my piece. So I'm going to unlock this and I want this 3 inches wide by 1 inch. So here is my kind of my template. Now I also need to make a rectangle. So I'm going to get a rectangle from here. I'm going to unlock that and also make that 3 inches by 1. Unlock that. Let's just change this color just for ease. Okay. So now I'm going to take these two pieces and I'm going to align them. So I'm going to select both. Center them. Okay, I'm going to bring this
to the front, just so that I can see it. And then I'm going to go in here and select a triangle. And what I want to do is I want to slice this away, and I'm going to use the triangle to do that. So I'm going to rotate my triangle and move it over. And then I'm going to duplicate this up here. I'm going to come over, and I'm going to come over to flip, and I'm going to flip it horizontally and bring that down just so it lines up. So I'm going to line it up with that line. I'm going to turn this off, so this open-ended hexagon. Now I'm going to select a triangle and this shape, and then I'm going to hit slice. Okay, next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to select my shape again, select this other triangle here, and then I'm going to slice it, and then I'm able to remove this shape and delete these. So here is my trapezium made. Now I can get rid of that one, I don't need it anymore. Right, with this I'm going to flip it, and I'm going to flip it vertically, bring it up to my tab like so, just enough so that it's touching there. I'm going to select everything, and then I'm going to align it horizontally so it's in the center, and then I'm going to select the whole thing, come over to my combine tool down here and click weld, so it's one whole piece. Now I'm going to add my logo. I'm going to select that and bring it to the front, and this is what it would look like once it is done. So I would be using HTV to cut this logo out and be pressing it on there, and this piece will be out of vinyl or faux leather, and then we're ready to cut. So to cut my zipper overlay, I'm going to be using this faux leather or vinyl, and I've backed it with some non-woven interfacing just to make it a little bit more sturdy because it's a little bit floppy. And I have some silver HTV. So I'm going to cut this first. I'm just going to use my strong grip mat and roll with that. So I'm going to place my HTV shiny side down, and I'm just going to cut this with it's not sticking. Oh, here we go. I'm just going to cut this with the everyday iron-on setting. So that's that cut out. Okay, next I'm going to cut my faux leather. So I'm going to put it face down on my mat. smooth it down, and then I'm going to use some masking tape. Mine's a little bit wide, so I'm just cutting it down a little bit so it's not too thick, and I'm just securing the vinyl down. I never know what to call this, vinyl or faux leather. So add a little bit on this side and some at the bottom, because my mat is losing its stickiness. Okay, so I'm going to cut this on shimmer leather, and I'm going to add more pressure, and I'm using my fine point blade. It cuts through fine. Okay. And I made sure that my star wheels are out of the way. So I'm just going to check before I unload the mat that it has cut all the way through. So I think I need to go over it again. Oh no, I don't. It has cut through. I can see it there. So I can unload my mat. Just taking it off gently because this vinyl is very, very soft and I don't want to warp it in any way. Just got a little, there we go. Okay, so there is my zipper overlay done. And I've got my HTV, which is going to be going there. So I'm just going to get my Cricut mini press and weed my vinyl. Keep watching. Okay, so I'm just warming up my Cricut mini press and I'm going to weed my vinyl. Okay, and there it is. So now I'm going to press this on. So my heat press is now warm. I think I want my logo about there. Need to make sure it's straight. So that's straight, and I'm going to now press this for 15 seconds. With the vinyl, I have to be careful. Let's check if it's adhered. I'm just going to do an insurance press for 5 seconds. Okay, and that is the final look. I'm going to be using this in a upcoming project where I'm making a mini duffel bag. So I'm going to use this for the interior zipper. So that's it. That's how you make a zipper overlay in the Cricut, a customized one. Thanks for watching.
So, if you found this video interesting or useful, please like and subscribe if you haven't yet done so, and turn on your post notification bell and make sure you check all so you never miss an upload from me. Please feel free to interact with the comment section by leaving any comments, questions, or any suggestions about any videos that I should do in the comment section below. You're also welcome to join our Facebook group. It's Craft Junkie Studio, and I will leave the link in the description box below. And as always, don't have a good day, have an amazing day. Till next